It's so much faster. Like, you can call it manifestation on steroids. So what determines whether somebody is able to manifest something or not? It's determined by the level of energy. It's determined by the power. It's determined by the vibrational frequency that is channeled towards one thing, right? And if that is the case, well, you can do it as one individual, but that's only your singular power. But if you can channel collective energy to co-create with you, it's having the universe on your side. If you look at, let's take 1 million people all buying the lottery at the same time, and everybody's praying their corner, right? They are all bidding for their numbers and trying to fight for their numbers and attracting their numbers. Then you've got one set of results, and it's being pulled in all different directions. So which energy is going to win? Well, one that has a group of energy that is holding a stronger magnet. What is that stronger magnet? Collective energy. I see it as when you put service first, meaning your ability to help people, your ability to be a light worker, be a person of influence, right? Not just practice law of attraction and manifestation for oneself, but how can you share that secret and that message with the world? How can you help other people manifest their dreams, their desires, their goals? Because this is a win-win situation. They say what you put out, you get back. But you need to understand, when you put out that amount of love and compassion, and you put that focus in helping other people, everybody's also fighting your corner. Everybody also wants you to win more. So I see the act of giving and helping other people the most powerful form, because it's almost like you are rallying everybody also on your side. That will naturally happen. It's effortless. It can't come from that space. It can't come from a space of, I will help you because I want to help me. If that is the thought, that is the mentality, then that is not the pure consciousness flow. That is not the love. That is not the compassion. That is not the good karma. It is pure. It needs to come from a genuine space of, I want the best for others, and I'm going to dedicate my energies to helping others. Because that level of consciousness, when we realize that everything is oneness, there is no divide between you and me. Because I understand when you win, I do not lose anything. In fact, when you win, it's even better. Great. And if this message could be passed on to other people, and other people can start thinking the same way, and they want everybody else to win as well, in unity, which is what yoga stands for, unity, oneness. I'm talking about speed manifestation, manifesting beast, whatever terminology you want to use. It's going to be like law of attraction on steroids.